Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of the Woofz app. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS, and we've searched for Woofz with a Z, and here we have it, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. So first thing we're going to do is accept the conditions, get ourselves all logged in. Go ahead and click on Get Started. We'll go ahead and pick a boy dog. And let's say 6 to 12 months. Let's say we've got a Labrador. And we'll go with Sam, the Labrador. And we'll say, yes, we have. Sam is in good company. That's nice. We'll go ahead and continue. What commands does your dog know? We'll say Sam knows his name. Sam knows how to sit. Sam knows how to come. And let's say Sam knows how to high five. But Sam is having a little bit of trouble with the other one. So we'll go ahead and continue. What about these? Mark all that your dog knows for sure. Touch, place, take it, shame, fetch, roll over, bow, bunny, drop it, spin, toys in the box, release, cue. Let's go ahead and say drop it. Sam likes to play catch. Okay, 80% of Woofz users complete their training within 1 day. Training with Woofz is easy, enjoyable, and rewarding for you and your dog. What behavioral issues would you like to solve? Barking, walking issues, separation anxiety, potty issues, chewing, biting, humping, jumping, trust issues, digging, food stealing, eating poop. All right, well, we'll just go ahead and leave these for now. How much time during the day can you spend training? Let's say, we'll say 10 to 20 minutes. Why not? Okay, your and Sam personalized training plan is almost ready. 81% of Woofz users see changes in their dog's behavior with 1 week. 73% of Woofz users report easier walks and less separation anxiety. Go ahead and continue and make that a little bit bigger. And let's see here. We are now creating our personal program for our fluffy friend. And you can see that we're analyzing some stuff here. What is the desired role of a dog in your life? Oh, we'll say a best friend. Okay, Woofz is hard at work. Setting up our personalized training plan. Okay, so here then we have our 3-day free trial. And then from there, we're looking at $12.49 a week, or we've got 3 months at $38.99, 6 months at $50, 1 year at $76.99. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit continue. And from there, we need to touch IDs to subscribe. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay. And we are ready to get started with the Woofz app. Go ahead and continue with our Google account. Easy peasy so far. Do you have a family invite code? We'll go ahead and say allow. It's okay. No, I don't. All right, let's get into a possum journey. This is your personalized plan. It starts with short but fundamental theory lessons followed by practice. Your first training. This step is crucial for your dog's learning success. Make sure to complete all previous steps to begin this training. Okay, we got it. And we have the must-have training guide. And it says here that in order to move on to the next stage, we're going to have to complete a few things here. But let's go ahead and take a look at our must-have training guide. Let's see what that's all about. Okay, so that is an additional charge of $10. So if you're interested in that, you can try that out. We'll go ahead and close that for now. And it looks like we have a fun little map here to proceed with. We can see at the bottom, we've got My Plan, Programs, Commands, Well-Being, and Chat. We'll go ahead and select our first section here. And we've got lesson 1 with Woofz. And you can see we've got a nice little video here that we can watch. So this is going to give us an idea of the different steps that we're going to be going through with the Woofz program. Learn new commands, deal with problem behaviors, build a stronger relationship with your dog. All courses are created alongside professionals. And yeah, we'll go ahead and we're just going to bypass this for now. How to train with this plan. Okay. Hello and welcome to the introduction part of your plan. In this lesson, you'll learn more about the structure of your training plan and how to follow it. We're just going to swipe here to the left. To create the most personalized step-by-step training flow, we divided your training into levels with various training units. First, you'll review the introduction to ensure you're ready to train. Then, level by level, you'll learn new behaviors and commands based on your dog's need. Don't worry if you see an immediate solution. Don't worry if you don't see an immediate solution to your pup's problematic behaviors. This training plan allows you to address these issues at the right time, such as after completing essential basic lessons. We'll continue on with that. Same thing with commands. First, we provide you with the basics. Then, as you progress, you'll unlock different levels. We've got quizzes and exams. Go ahead and hit complete. Okay, so you can see here that we've got some reading to do, and we've got the dog parent commitment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the reading. We can find out here about Labradors. Labradors are great dogs. Now we've got the dog parent commitment. Let's go ahead and take that a look. Owning a dog is a big responsibility. Commit to honoring the 5 simple pledges of a happy owner. We'll go ahead and start on that. I pledge not to be angry with my dog when my dog does something wrong. I do. I promise to be committed to our training, plan it wisely, keep going, and not give up. I do. I hereby agree to be consistent with what I do and what I say to my dog. I do. I agree to diversify our training sessions with cuddles, games, rewards, and fun activities, of course. I promise to keep my dog's welfare as my top priority. If my dog is happy, I'll be happy too. I do. Okay, so we've completed the Welcome to Woofz course. We've got our training passport. We've just earned a stamp. And from here, we'll go ahead and head back to our plan. So as you can see here, we're just going to keep on proceeding with the different lessons, and everything here looks like it's really set up to be fun to get through. And yeah, you know, training your dog can be a little bit complicated if you don't have the right help. So having something like this to follow and go along with is just a good idea to keep you on track with you and your dog. Let's just quickly look through the different options here in our menu. So we have different programs that we could take a look at. These are all different topics based on things that we might encounter with our furry friend. We've also got a walking, if we want to take our dog for a walk. So that's kind of nice. We've got different commands. So all the commands that you might expect when training a dog. We've even got well-being here, hygiene, relaxation, sound. So this is really nice. So there's just a lot here to take advantage of so that you can train your dog. We've even got a journal here up at the top. So let's just take a look at that. So there you can see we can add different events for our pet, and looks like Woofz just has some really nice stuff here. And in order to get started, you are going to need that subscription, but they do offer you a 3-day trial to get started. So if you're interested in the Woofz app, head to the App Store and download that in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find links to our X account as well as our top AI tool recommendations for you to take advantage of. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.